Hi guys, today we're gonna cook shawarma with fish. Something you have never tried before. I have here salmon. You can choose any fish, but salmon will be the best choice for this recipe. So then I have butter for my sauce. For my sauce I have sour cream, mayonnaise, some spices, then I have tomato, cucumber, garlic for my sauce, and onion. Then I have the lettuce, then jalapenos, pickled cucumbers. So let's begin. First thing, I'm gonna start with the sauce. For the sauce, I will need a little piece of the butter. Just gonna cut this little piece of the butter and place it in my bowl. Then I will need to cut the garlic and chop it on small tiny pieces. For this I'm using that thingy, so that will be much easier and faster. Okay, our garlic is chopped in small tiny pieces. Alright, first we're gonna melt the butter and then we will place the garlic there. Use the lowest fire. Then after our butter is melted, we will add some garlic there. Now I've added the garlic. You want to stir it a little bit. Now we add sour cream. I will add a mayo as well. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the sour cream, but another type of sour cream, which is 15%, and the other one was 30%. Now I'm gonna add some spices to my sauce. So you can choose any spices you want actually, but the best would be to use black pepper and red chili. I also add bell pepper spices, dry bell pepper, and as well spices for fish. If you use meat, you can choose meat spices. So that's it. We just boil our sauce a little bit and it's ready. You can turn it off and then leave it alone. You better place it in the fridge and make it a little bit firm. Okay, our sauce is pretty much ready. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the vegetables for my shawarma. Right, now the cucumber. As well, I'm gonna cut the pickled cucumbers. Pickles. First, I'm gonna have to open it. Oh, shoot. Right. Okay. Do you wanna play this game? We're gonna play this game. Oh, shoot. I almost broke my nail. Oh my god. Oh. Come on, man. Oh, yay! Da-da-da-dum, da-da-dum. I did it. Alright, guys. Now, since I've opened it, we can cut our pickles. And as well, we're gonna cut the jalapenos. Yes, the jalapenos. The more of them, the better. Oh yeah. My jalapenos. Just cut them on tiny pieces. Yep. Oh yeah. Place them in the bowl. Now we're gonna cut the onion. So I cut this onion on very, very thin pieces. Very, very thin. So it doesn't feel at all in shawarma. It just gives the little hint, the little taste of it. Just a little bit. That's enough for our shawarma. I'm gonna break it on pieces like this. Yes, that is perfect, baby. Now our next step is to fry the white onion. Okay, I turn on the stove. So I will add some of the butter. Now when the butter is melted, I'm placing the onion in the pan. While my onion is frying, I can cut the salmon. First, let's take the skin off. Okay, our fried onion is ready. Then I'm gonna fry the salmon, and I'm using the olive oil for this. You can use any oil you want, you have in your house. Let's place the salmon in the pan. Sear, sear, baby. Ooh, smells so good. Alright, now let's prepare our shawarma. Ooh, so here I have it is lavash. I'm gonna place everything here and wrap it. Then I'm gonna fry it on the big pan. So I'm gonna prepare the big pan and warm it up. I'm scared. Dude. Okay, let's start quickly placing everything in our lavash. Start with the lettuce. You have to make sure it's not wet at all, because if it's a little bit wet, it is very hard to wrap it and it might break. And actually, I recommend you to put the sauce separated, just to dip the shawarma into the sauce after you cook it already. But it's up to you. You can place it in the lavash itself. But remember, the sauce is the main ingredient here. Jalapenos. Then I'm placing the onion, the pickled cucumbers, the fried onion. So basically everything out of this little bowl. Look at this fried golden salmon. So yeah. So we need to fry it till it's gold color, because you know. I'm placing it. Be careful you don't take oil together with it, because you don't want your shawarma to break apart. Look at this yummy, delicious sauce that I have made. It is the best sauce for shawarma. I'm placing the sauce. Now the tomatoes, cucumbers. Now let's wrap it. Let's go. Careful guys, don't break it. I know how hard it can be. Ta-da! Our shawarma is ready. I like to fry it from all the sides. Okay, now our shawarma is ready. Yay guys, this is our shawarma. So now it's all ready and perfect. Let's cut it and see what's inside. Ooh la la. Ooh. So this is what's inside. Bon appetit guys. So as I said, guys, of course, you can add the sauce later when you have already cut out your shawarma, and just easy peasy add it on the top like this, and then you eat it. You can warm up the sauce again if you do it this way. Buon appetit! Bellissimo! This is fantastic! What to do? I can't stop! It's so good! This is the best! Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and I hope the recipe will work out for you. I will see you next video. Bye bye.